Hey guys, Northern Survivalist here, and today we're going to be doing the camping cookware review. I purchased both of the packages, the pot and the cup, and the pan and the bigger pot. I'm just going to talk about some things that I expected, and then just the quality of the products, and I'll show you guys what you get in each set. Okay, so as you see here, one is branded and one is non-branded. This one is just G4F free, basically just some little Alibaba brand. But this is the cup or bowl if you were to make a soup, with a nice little grippy handle. Inside here you do get one sponge to clean it, and then this is the pot if you were trying to make like some sort of broth or some soup or whatever. You can cook some parts of fish in there over a fire, and it is, I'm pretty sure, aluminum. On this side over here, this one's non-branded. I just picked this one up the other day. The stuff you get inside this one over here, I'll move that out of the way. You do get a nice little cooking spatula. You do get a spork, nice little quality spork over here. You do also get a sponge, and I think these are ladles or some sort of ladle for a cup. Just haven't figured them out yet. I haven't really looked at them, and there are some pieces of the sponge falling off. I'll get those out of the way. And then here are like two little bowl cup things if you want to drink out of some tea, or if you want to put some soup from the ladle into your bowl and drink it. There's that. The pot on this kit is much bigger than this pot in comparison, right? And then on top of that, you do get a nice little frying pan if you want to fry some fish, or if you happen to bring some eggs with you, which is actually really nice. And I really like this pan because it's very lightweight, which I love about this whole set here. Like, it doesn't even weigh not even a pound. It fits really well in the bag, in my bug out bag, and this really beats my cast iron pan I have, which is very heavy. Now for this kit over here, the smaller pot and the bowl slash cup, the reason why I didn't get the whole bundle like I did with this one is because I have my own spoon fork multi-tool. I was going to do a review about this, but what's the point? I'll just put it in here. It's got a bottle opener. I believe this is like a can opener. You can put a lanyard on it or something. Oops, there's a hole. It does have a knife, like a serrated edge on the fork part. And it does have the fork and then the spoon. So I think this is absolutely amazing. Definitely way better than this. This feels a little bit flimsy. This is pure metal, very strong. I love it. So yeah, anyways guys, they're very inexpensive. This kit over here only cost me about 20 bucks. That's $20 Canadian. And then this whole kit over here was about, I think, 33 Canadian. So I would really recommend it. It doesn't take up a lot of room. If you don't want it in your bug out bag, they do have the strips on the bed, or like ropes on the bag, so you can just hang them from your bug out bag or whatever. And I think it's really worth it. You guys should definitely get one if you're interested or you're on the edge. Quality is really good. They don't really have crazy color selection. There's just green and red. I chose green just because everything else I have is green. So yeah, anyways, take care guys. Hopefully this review helped you out between purchasing one of these. And let me know in the description, like the video, subscribe for a lot more reviews. I got a lot of stuff coming, which I'm really excited to do. So anyways, have a good one guys. Peace out.